Welcome to our HDPE Flakes Washing Line. This plastic recycling system is specially designed for washing and drying HDPE flakes generated from post-consumer and post-industrial plastic recycling operations. The process begins with the box dumper. The hydraulic box dumper features an automatic lifting and tipping function, allowing large bins of HDPE flakes to be unloaded quickly and efficiently. After unloading, the HDPE flakes are transferred by the screw feeder. The screw feeder continuously conveys the material while maintaining a stable feeding rate throughout the washing process. Next, the material enters the floating tank. This stage plays a critical role in cleaning the HDPE flakes. Through water washing and density separation, dirt, dust, labels, paper residue, and other lightweight contaminants are effectively removed. The floating tank also provides additional rinsing to improve the overall cleanliness of the recycled plastic flakes. After washing, the material is discharged into the vertical dryer. Using high-speed centrifugal force, the vertical dryer efficiently removes surface moisture from the HDPE flakes. This significantly reduces water content and prepares the material for downstream processes such as extrusion, pelletizing, or final packaging. The entire HDPE Flakes washing line is designed for high efficiency, stable performance, and low operating costs. It is widely used in HDPE bottle recycling plants, rigid plastic recycling facilities, plastic washing operations, and recycled plastic processing industries. Thank you for watching. For more information about our HDPE Flakes washing line and plastic recycling machines, please contact us today.